List of Igbo content creators we suppose marry this year. List of people where you dey see for this social media we suppose marry this year. If they not marry, we go carry woman give them. No disrespect, yeah, but una need wife. You understand me? Una need woman in you people's life. Una supposed to marry this year. If una not marry, we the social media people are going to carry girls and be giving you people to marry. We are going to force people to marry those girls. Number one, Abaranze. Abaranze zukwani ike okorobobo. Go and marry. Abaranze chonwanye law. Abaranze, I want to hear that from now to December that you are taken by a girl. Abaranze, get yourself a wife. If you have not seen any, let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Let's carry woman and give you. Abaranze, you need a wife. Abaranze, go and marry. I don't mean to disrespect your single bachelor life, but Abaranze, you need a wife. Yes. Jeje longwanye. Ito rola irongwanye. Je longwanye. Anchare be ma social media ga kporo nwunye gi bia. Jianyi shi alola nwanye I'm taking. Abaranze, you need to be taken by a woman. Egari karịala na social media la. Number 2 on my list here is nobody else than onye ke owo ala bekee hindaga ya from getting married. You understand? Unu mere ni ebere. Owuru na o mejolu unu. You people should forgive him. Mere ni ebere ka olota bia luo nwanyi. Number 2 on my list is Ken Palace of Justice. Imana na Ken ekwujola gị. Gbahara na ya. Owurugodi nwanyi na hapụtụ na ya ka olota to Nigeria bịa chọọ nwanyi lụọ. Ma olugodi the girl alụ ka ọ gbakwuru nu the girl agbakwuru. Owurugodi nwa ha atụka aka rakọtụ mụọ nwa. You understand? If you are looking at Ken like this, some ndengwa na-enwetukwa small body. You understand? If you can ele anya like this, gisi na orube elu nwanyi. Biko no, gbahara no Ken ka o wike lọta bịa lụọ nwanyi. Mụtatụgodi nwa. You understand? Ka ọ mụtatụ nwa ka ọ hapụ ịdịchara anyị useless. Ima Alabeke has failed him. Him too have failed himself. You understand? Biko no, unu mere no Ken ebere. Onwere otu ọbụla oshi meju unu. Unu mere ebere ka ọ lọta. Gbahara no Ken. Mere ni ebere. Rabbit cheni anya make una ahụ ya ka ọ lọta bịa megene. Chọọ nwaanyị lụrụ. Him himself is ready to get married. Ọ chọla ịgbakwuru nwaanyị because only ko ji ego jakwu wish nwaanyị but ọ dịla ready ịgbakwuru nwaanyị. And ọ chọla ịlọta Nigeria unu mere ni ebere. He's of age. He has passed that of age. Otola tofe heji woke eme. Obala na heji agadi eme. Unu haputu ni ya bikono. I know Ken is scared of coming back. Kunu apiti ya na nga. But unu mere ni ebere. Kolota to choroto nwanyi to ime. Ma olugodi di girl alo. You understand? Koto watu nwanyi ime. Unu mere no Ken Palace of Justice ebere. This guy erule lo nwanyi. And they look one na agyo to Alabeke kono. Amamunduka Alabeke. Alabeke ono ne hindaya. You understand? Elota be a long way. And you want to decide ya plan elota. Bikono, Ken Palace of Justice needs a wife. Unu hapotoni ya kolota Nigeria. Olota na Nigeria. Molo wani within a space of 6 months. Ange apro wani pay ya. Ange bru wani be ya. He needs a wife. Ken Palace of Justice, you need a wife. You need a wife. Rubbish. Number 3 on my list that needs a wife. Number 3 is nobody else than J-Pack. J-Pack, me and you, they get to cantaquocious, montomotocious, and yalobogwaho. But J-Pack, you need a wife. I saw you in this my list. I don't know who put you here. I don't even want to mention your name, but I don't know who put you in my list. I say, let me call you. You need a wife. Yes. You need a wife. Your own is urgent. You need a wife. You need to go and marry. You understand? This year, because we don't mean to disrespect your bachelorhood lifestyle. But to J-Pack, then again, you need a wife. You can say long wine. So that they will now address you as Mr. J-Pack Onye Lorongwani. Lorongwani, you need a wife. These people I'm mentioning is people that need to marry this year. And you are one of them. I don't know who put in my list, though. I don't know. I don't know who carry you and put in this my list. So J-Pack, go and marry. You are of age. You have grown to marry. You are in the middle of passing to marry. Go and marry J-Pack. Go and marry. Number 3, sorry, number 4. Nah, number 3 call J Park. On the main Number 4 on this list that needs to marry is Onowu TV. Onowu, JJ Longwani. Anybody on that Onowu, Hana Longwani say so because so that people can address their wife as Munyo no wani, Onowu TV, JJ Longwani. Onowu biko. I don't mean to disrespect you, but you are one of the Igbo guys on this Facebook that needs to marry. JJ Longwai, my brother, you are a very handsome guy. I like him, your personality. But we need a woman to attach it so that JJ Longwai. Achome poga hozo. JJ Longwai, manda na bono wane to have respect. Yes. Go and marry you, my brother. Go and marry. You of age. You have reached to marry. You understand? The number 5 person on this list. I don't know how the person managed to come inside this list, but I will still mention the person's name. His friend have married, have show full working. His friends Kibo have married, show full working. Him himself, he doesn't want to show full working. It's no other person than Ijele Worldwide. Ijele Worldwide, JJ Longwani. Ijele Worldwide, I'm suspecting you don't want to show us full working. Yes, that is what I'm suspecting. Show us full working. Show us full working. Assignment show us full working. Ijele Worldwide, JJ Longwani. I search everywhere. I even ask people, Ijele Worldwide, Ololawani. This man, this guy, Ololawani. Because you like to do fine boy. Boboton saw. You understand? Go and marry. Attach a woman to your fine boy. I don't mean to disrespect you, but Ijele Worldwide, you need a wife this year. This year, 2024. A year of marriage. Ijele Worldwide, JJ Longwani. Show us full working. I have been taking, I'm off the market. But this one, you don't want to show full working. It's a long one. Go and marry. Because you are always doing fine boy, Boboton saw on this social media. Go and marry, yo. I don't want to tell you again, no. And if you have married, because I've asked people, I say, Ijele alube nwani. Man say, Ijele kwesele lo nwani. Ijele so nande na say I'm 23. I no believe him. Ijele, please show us full working. If at all, elola nwani, give Jani the apple of your eyes. But if not, Ijele, go and marry. Let this year not pass you in this marriage something. Go and marry. Join the Married Men Association. Please comment number 6 on the comment section. Let's come out and call the person to go and marry. You know, this year, the height in which single girls, the spread will reduce when this man starts getting married. Long one, yo, this 2024. Try quite long one. Kamuma pastor Brunishi Biana Mezu. Well, let me keep my list. Mama. Tomorrow, your name might fall inside this list. I'll come and mention your name.